Hello, I'm here from TableLinensforLess.com to show you how to fold a napkin into a heart. This is our NPCLR SimplyPoly 17 by 17 light pink napkin. Fold the bottom to the middle and the top down to the middle. Then in half. From here, find the middle of the napkin and fold each end down. Flip it over, pick the top corner, fold it down along the edge of the napkin. Press it flat and then tuck it in. Again, take the corner, pull it down to the edge of the napkin, press it flat, and tuck it in. Next step is to put it on the plate, hold it, flip it. From here, we take each point and tuck it in. Take the point, tuck it in. Thank you for watching. TableLinensforLess.com, how to fold a napkin into the shape of a heart.